What's up, guys? And today, me and Dead Force. Hey, Dead Force, come over here.
Give me a second.
Okay. We're going to Bricks Hotel, the finest hotel in the world. I don't care about you. I'll break your hat.
I'm so high right now. Falling from the
I'm
sky.
waiting for you, Dead Forest.
I'm coming for the front door. Why isn't the door letting me in? Oh, that's the. Oh no, that's the roof. Oh no, that's a window. There's a door.
Okay, let's go to our rooms. Follow me. Here you go.
There's a organized one thing.
Let's go up here. The alligators are out of service,
I can see it.
which is a huge problem. So over here, there's stairs, which we can use to get up. So our room's up here on this story. Let's go to our, that's our room. What do you think?
Why is this the bathroom? Yeah. Not that bad for the bathroom.
What a lovely day. What?
Lock it
Oh my
out.
God, the floor. What the heck?
Collapse. The hotel. Oh my God. Well, I'm just gonna destroy more havoc because you started it.
Oh my God, the floor's collapsing. The floor's collapsing. What the heck?
I'm falling from the sky. Oh my God. I'm in the sky. I'm flying.
Oh my God, what the heck? The hotel's collapsing.
Well, if you come outside, there's stuff floating. Like every floor.
Oh my God, the hotel's collapsing.
Oh my God, there's so much stuff. This is so cool.
I'm trapped.
I'm gonna be hit by a piece of rubble. Ouch. I'm trying to get in my car. Oh my God.
I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Shoot, shoot.
I can't even go inside the car because of all of this stuff. Well, there's just someone on the top floor, like, windows are falling out. Doors and that.
Ah! I need to run.
Run, man, run. It's collapsing even more.
I'm gonna investigate the area with my armored truck,
Be careful. Oh my God.
aka the bank truck from last video we stole from. Dude, do you see the car we last used? It's just destroyed.
The car is destroyed.
Why don't we just take a nice little visit to the Italian restaurant? Despite it being, let's go to the Italian restaurant.
This is probably gonna be a sad day for the hotel.
Wait, oh no, this thing's entirely collapsed.
It's gonna be a bad day. I see rockets going towards it too.
What the heck? Has Kim Jong-un had a temper tantrum?
Was being hit by loads of them.
Follow me to the Italian restaurant, sir.
I cannot see anything.
Well, that's a good end to the guy's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, town got destroyed. So bye.